For perimeter spraying with Demon Wettable powder and Taurus suspension concentrate, the correct mixing ratios and safe application steps are critical for effective pest control and homeowner safety. Start by preparing 1 gallon of water in a clean, dedicated mixing container. For Demon Wettable powder, use 1 packet per gallon of water and stir slowly until the powder is evenly suspended. Wettable powders will never fully dissolve, so keep agitation during application. For Taurus suspension concentrate, measure out 0.8 ounces per gallon of water using a calibrated measuring cup or syringe, and add it to the water after the Demon is suspended to maintain uniform distribution. Always add wettable powder to water first and suspension concentrate second to reduce clumping and improve tank mix stability. Use a low-pressure hand pump sprayer or backpack sprayer set for coarse droplets for perimeter work and agitate the tank periodically during use to prevent settling. Follow the label directions for total treated area per gallon and maximum number of applications per season, and wear long sleeves, gloves, and eye protection while mixing and applying. Common mistakes are inaccurate measurement, which leads to underdosing or overexposure, so always use marked measuring tools and recheck your math before mixing. If unsure, start with a smaller test batch. Another frequent issue is poor suspension, where the wettable powder settles and clogs nozzles, so keep the tank agitated and strain the mix through a 1/4 millimeter or recommended inline filter before filling the sprayer. A third problem is applying too close to foundations, water sources, or non-target plants. Avoid spraying within the setback distances listed on each label. Cover sensitive plants if necessary, and never apply when wind exceeds 10 miles per hour to reduce drift. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources relevant to do-it-yourself, insecticide perimeter treatments, and other home projects. And we link to product guidance and community experience so you can learn practical tips from others who have tried the same mixes. We host a discussion community where members share methods, ask questions, and find local help, and we help contractors find work by listing their services for homeowners searching for project support.